Today I'm gonna try making Ben 10's alienx in 3D using only an Android phone, and I jumped right into the blockout stage. As always, I started with the bowl, pulling a jaw out and stretching the skull, then stretched a chest for him, another ball for his guts, moving some areas for his stomach and stretching it down, a ball for his pelvis, put into its position and shape it more nicely, another for his neck, placed and rotated, moving the neck so it connects to his skull and shoulders. Two balls for thighs stretched and same cloned for his legs and make them thinner, squashed balls for feet. Two more for his shoulders placed and sized right. Another two for his arms, the same clone for the other part, and cloned again for his hands. And with that, blockout is done. In this stage, all I did was make those balls look more like a body and less like some random shapes. This part also required some basic most knowledge about human body. I also redid some proportions from earlier stage. Now, this stage is the longest in video and in my process as well, because it required a lot of bigger to smaller to more smaller adjustments to make him look more like him. From basic shapes to secondary and then more refined shapes. That is what this stage took. This stage wanted to test my anatomy knowledge, and God, it did. I don't have much else to say for now, so I'll meet you in a bit. Here, I gave him his classic antennas or horns, whatever thing is, and that's where this ended. Now it was time for the posing, and I wanted something fitting for him. So I went to Pinterest and searched for something powerful or cosmic, and this fit exactly what I had in my mind. I added eyes for him to see an omnitrix on his chest before I started moving things. And after that was set, I started posing him part by part with mask, move, rotate, and all that. Also, I had to make the omnitrix more detailed, so I modeled the X shape and placed it separately and cut the extras. And lastly, the omnitrix needed a bit more support behind it. Now everything was done, but still didn't look as good. It was too smooth, and that's when it's time to add textures, variations, details. After connecting Omnitrix in his chest, I added some muscle flow all over his body. All these fine details helped him look more majestic and powerful while also filling the emptiness on his body. Even if his back muscles won't be much of a focus in the final render, refining its every detail gave me my satisfaction. I really don't follow anatomy extremely because I think just knowing what sits where is enough. Even if you can hint something anatomically correct, that will count. I made some foam at the base of the antennas to make it appear more immersed. Also did some basic hand details while jumping everywhere at once. And then did the legs, but I kept them less focused. His legs are not gonna be the center of attention. They are just there to help the pose. Then finally, I carved him some eyelids and it was done. Now, this is final stage where I had to make him come to life, and honestly it includes a lot more technical stuff. So I just colored dark blue all over his body, made the Omnitrix metallic, added stars over parts of his body and some cloudy textures as well. After painting randomly over his body, I mask extracted a thick transparent layer to give it a cosmic cloudy feel. Added one land light and one fill light, colored the lights to fit the mood, and finally made the eyes and Omnitrix glow. And now this is the turntable of our sculpt. After some more work, this is the final render.